Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, as you can see by the title, I am going to be showing you my black smoky eye look. Now, as you can see, this is my final look. So, if you want to stay tuned and learn how to do this look, continue watching. So normally I do not do my face first, but for today purpose, I did my face first. Just off the fact, just to save time and effort, plus I don't feel like recording me putting all of my face products on, because this is not everything like a whole face makeup routine. No, it's just gonna be the eyes, okay? So let's just jump right into it. So I am gonna be taking a neutral color, the color my closest to my skin tone, whatever color is close to your skin tone. So this is like one of my new palettes. I am gonna be taking this color right here, because it's the most closest one to my skin tone. Now, wipe off the excess. You wanna drag it across all over your lid, all over, and even down, because I like to do it down too. Now, pat excess. Now, this is supposed to help prevent your eyeshadow from creasing. Anyways, so now on to step number 2. Now, okay, so I am gonna be using a new palette that I just got, and it comes with 104 different eyeshadows. This is my palette. It's from the Color Workshop Unlimited Color Compact. Now, I'm gonna open this baby up. Mind you, I already used it before. I'm just showing you, not doing, my bad, let me correct you. I'm just gonna show you how I do my smoky eye, because I did it the other day and I was like, hey, why don't I just post it up on YouTube? So instead of me recording that day, I went to the penitentiary, you know, the Eastern State Penitentiary, the haunted house. I went there, so I did the black smoky eye just to match with the theme. Halloween, right? So, what you want to do, you can either grab a blending brush or a crease brush. This is my blending brush, but I use it for my crease too. I am going to go with this shade right here onto my crease. Just want to pat some on, but it doesn't matter. Access, and then you want to go like that. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And don't mind the noises in the background, because I am in my grandmother's living room, because she told me to come over today so I could do her makeup. So, yeah. Okay, now I am going to go with this warm brown tone. Just a little bit. In your lower crease line. Okay. Now that I'm done with this palette, I'm going to go back to this palette. But I am just going to grab another palette I got. This is real old. Don't know the name of it, honestly. Oh wait, right here. This is LA Colors. That's all I say. Anyways, either way, just eyeshadow. I'm just taking this dark maroon red, just dabbing a little bit on it because it's real pigmented, and top it over. Now, don't pay attention to my face expressions because they are not pretty. Okay, now once you're done doing your crease, honestly, you can do any color you want. You could put orange in your crease, but I like to put red. That way, the black pop out even more. Okay. Now, what I'm about to do is I am grabbing my eyebrow gel. Okay, so basically I'm grabbing my eyebrow gel. It's charcoal black eyebrow gel. This is how it looks. So now I am gonna go in my eyelids, because if you just straight put regular black eyeshadow, it's not gonna come out the black tints that you want. So very gentle. You want to pass them on, scrape the excess, and apply to your lid very carefully. Once you're done putting the gel lining on both eyes, you want to go ahead and with some black eyeshadow, scrape the excess off and blend it all out. I already did this eye, now I'm about to hop on this one. Any black eyeshadow you have. You don't want to use too much of the black eyeshadow, that's why you always want to take out the excess. Okay, now once you're done with that, you want to go grab either your crease brush. I do not want to look at that. I'll be back in a second. One of my palettes just fell out the table because I bumped it, I guess. No, I just bumped it just now. I grabbed the big palette. Anyways, you want to grab your blending brush or your crease brush, whatever you use, and go back in your crease with the same colors you first started with. You want to do it to both sides. Make sure you blend it all out too. Now you want to grab any brush to do your under eyes. Now I applied eyeliner without the camera. Now you only want to add a little bit and go under. But yeah, so now I'm about to add my eyelashes and show y'all. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.